Good morning, children. Today we will deal with the poem Rain in Summer. Word meanings with CGPF and make sentence. Commotion. It's a noun meaning a sudden, short period of noise, confusion, or excited movement. Example sentence. His arrival caused quite a commotion. Wanted. It's an adjective meaning habitual or usual. Example sentence. He replied sharply and without his wonted courtesy. Tawny. It's an adjective meaning brownish yellow in color. Example sentence. She had tawny hair. Treacherous. It's an adjective meaning something or someone that can't be trusted. Example sentence. The current of the river is fast flowing and treacherous. Turbulent. It's an adjective meaning moving very strongly and suddenly. Example sentence. The ocean was too turbulent for us to be able to take the boat out. Thank you.